What if you could enjoy the full cruiser experience of a V-twin motorcycle without ever touching a clutch or shifting a single gear? The 2026 Benda Rock 250 CVT represents a bold step forward in making cruiser motorcycles more accessible to a new generation of riders. As the industry continues to lower the barrier to entry, Benda's decision to integrate a fully automatic transmission into a traditional cruiser platform signals a clear intent: simplify the riding experience without sacrificing character or style. At the heart of this machine is its defining feature, CVT, or continuously variable transmission. Unlike conventional motorcycles that require manual clutch operation and gear shifting, the Rock 250 CVT eliminates both entirely. Using a belt and pulley system, the transmission continuously adjusts the ratio between engine speed and road speed, delivering seamless acceleration. This technology, commonly found in scooters, brings a new level of ease and confidence to cruiser riding, especially for beginners or urban commuters seeking a stress-free experience. Powering the Rock 250 is a 249cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, an uncommon and welcome configuration in this displacement class. The slightly undersquare design, with a 53.5mm bore and 55.4mm stroke, is engineered to provide a balanced blend of efficiency and torque. Each cylinder head features a 3-valve setup, while an 11.8:1 compression ratio ensures responsive performance. With nearly 26 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and over 18 pounds-feet of torque at 5,500 RPM, the Rock 250 delivers enough output to reach a claimed top speed of 80 miles per hour, more than sufficient for both city riding and light highway use. Traction control comes standard, adding an extra layer of safety and rider confidence. Ergonomically, the Rock 250 CVT is designed with accessibility in mind. A low seat height of 28.3 inches allows most riders to plant their feet firmly on the ground, while a curb weight of 454 pounds strikes a balance between stability and manageability. The 5-foot wheelbase contributes to a planted, cruiser-like stance, enhancing comfort over longer rides. The suspension setup blends modern and classic elements. Up front, an inverted fork provides improved rigidity and handling precision, while the rear utilizes a traditional twin-shock configuration. The steel cradle frame and swing arm reinforce the bike's durability and classic cruiser aesthetic. One of the more distinctive aspects of the Rock 250 lies in its wheel and tire combination. A 16-inch front wheel paired with a 15-inch rear is an unusual choice, wrapped in CST tires sized 130/90 front and 150/80 rear. This setup not only adds to the bike's visual identity, but also supports a stable and composed ride. Braking duties are handled by disc brakes at both ends, supported by standard ABS for improved safety. While specific details on disc size and caliper branding remain undisclosed, the inclusion of ABS ensures dependable stopping power in varied conditions. Modern touches are present throughout the bike, including full LED lighting for enhanced visibility and a convenient USB-A charging port for on-the-go device connectivity. These features underscore Benda's effort to blend classic cruiser styling with contemporary functionality. Visually, the Rock 250 CVT offers a range of personalization options with 4 distinct color choices: Stardust Silver, Moonlight White, Meteorite Black, and Primordial Green. Each finish is complemented by unique graphics, allowing riders to select a look that suits their individual taste. While pricing and official availability in the United States have yet to be announced by Keyway America, the 2026 Benda Rock 250 CVT already stands out as an intriguing option in the entry-level cruiser segment. By combining the relaxed appeal of a V-twin cruiser with the simplicity of an automatic transmission, Benda has created a motorcycle that invites more riders to experience the road. No clutch required.